What's going on, guys? In this video, we're going to go over how to play the 30-minute opening range when you guys are trading the NASDAQ futures. So what we're looking at, we're starting off with the 30-minute time frame. Okay, this is going to be very, very simple. I'm going to actually take this line off so I can just run through the process with you guys. Now, one thing that I like about the 30-minute opening range is that you get this setup every day, right? Unless we magically stop time, you're going to get this setup every single day. Now, does it work every single day in terms of are you going to make money? Of course not, right? Because if that was the case, we would all be multi-millionaires for just waiting for the 30-minute opening range. Some days there's going to be fake outs. Some days it's going to work for 100 points and you take 10 points, right? Some days it's going to get you into the position and then whipsaw against you 25 points. Maybe you're running a tight stop loss, get stopped out only to see it go in your favor 50 points, right? So no strategy is ever perfect, but I like this strategy because it's simple. It forces you to have patience. It forces you to have discipline, because if you're simply marking out the charts, you start getting comfortable with your stop loss. How much do you feel like risking? What take profit works more than it doesn't. You can kind of tinker with those things on a week by week basis to kind of, boost up that win rate percentage. So all we're going to do to start the day is just start off on the 30-minute time frame. We're waiting for that first 30-minute candle to close. Okay, so at the top of the hour, 10 a.m. Eastern, all we're going to do is we're going to mark out the high and we're going to mark out the low. So if I was to mark out the low, and then let's duplicate this, and now let's mark out the high. Very, very simple. Now we've got a trading range. Okay, once we have that trading range, as soon as the soonest that we're going to be able to take the trade is going to be on the following candle after 10 a.m. So what we're going to do from there is drop down into a 5-minute time frame. You can use whatever time frame you like. I like using the 5-minute time frame. What we're going to do here, there's going to be two ways to take this trade. If you're very, very impatient, meaning you like fast action, you're going to take what I call the first break. The first break is trying to scalp that initial momentum as soon as we break that 30-minute opening range. And that's going to be here. Here's the problem. If you're going to play it this way, I would recommend, and you're going to think that it sounds silly, but I would recommend no more than a 5 to 7 point take profit. The reason being is because a lot of times that momentum will quickly flush. In this particular case, it went from 25,582 all the way down to 25,530, more than enough room to make money. But sometimes you'll see a quick flush, 10 points, and then a whipsaw back like this. Okay, and when that happens, that's generally when people get stopped out. So although this went down 30-40 points, just do me a favor, do yourself a favor, put a small target on there. Just try to take 5 points, try to take 7 points, try to take 6 points. Practice getting in, getting out, making $100, making $200, depending on how many contracts you're trading, and then wrapping up the day. The next thing you can do is what I recommend is allow that opening range to be broken. And then what you want to do is mark out the new low, and you want to take the confirmation of the new low. Okay, that did not happen until 10:45 Eastern time today. Today is January the 14th. This is the trade you want to take, because generally speaking, that second wave of momentum is going to be a lot more sustainable than the first little initial flush. Okay, in this particular case, you can see we go from a price of 25,530 and it takes you all the way down to 25,480. So a 50-point flush, another 50-point flush here, and then it kind of trickles back up. Look at where it bounces, 5, 10, 15 minutes, bounces right into that 30-minute opening range low, and kind of gives you a little bit more of a pullback here. You can definitely short into that and then kind of wait for that pullback. We did reclaim and then getting rejected and then kind of breaking ultimately those low of days again. But again, try this out. Apex right now is 80% off. If you guys want to go sign up for a few evaluation accounts, take advantage of that. You can use my discount code. All those links are down below in the description. Make sure to give me a thumbs up on this video, guys, and I'll see all of you guys on the next one. Into much success. Stay safe out there, stay patient, stay disciplined. I'll catch you guys all in the next video.